words on repeat. I will break like a twig right under.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I am rushing out the door. It is the 4th of July. I hope you had a great celebration. We are going to go to our friend's house to have a cookout. It's a little crazy just getting out the door with 5 kids. I'm sure you guys can appreciate that. I made some mini cherry pies. I'm going to be showing you how to make those in today's video. And where is it? And some salsa, one of my favorites. That recipe is also on the blog, so I don't know what kind of footage I'm going to get tonight, but I'm going to take some video. We're going to have a great time, and I'm just going to bring you along.
It's alright now, but I don't know if I can take it.
I'm working with the pie dough recipe that you can find on the blog. It's just an all-purpose pie dough that I use for literally everything, and it's really delicious. So I'll link that recipe down below. I made it earlier in the morning and then chilled the pie dough. It's really important to work with chilled pie dough, especially if you are cutting out pieces like this and then trying to work with them. So I just cut out the circles with a biscuit cutter and then pressed it out a little bit more with my fingers before putting it into the muffin pan. You don't have to grease the muffin pan ahead of time or really press it very hard into the openings, just kind of fit it in there. And then it's important to refrigerate the pie shells in the muffin pan before you put the filling in. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm sorry for the slightly awkward camera angle, but I was recording this while also recording a Facebook Live demonstration, so I'll link that video down below. I have a bowl of frozen cherries that I have thawed, and I got most of the juices out. I let them strain in a colander for a while. I added some sugar and some arrowroot, and now I'm just zesting an entire lemon. And you're just going to let this whole mixture sit for about 10 minutes, and between the sugar and the arrowroot, it's going to thicken up a little bit. After about 10 minutes, you can go ahead and add the cherry pie filling to the prepared shells and then bake them in a preheated oven for about 14 minutes. Now, to get them out of the muffin pan, it's very important that you let them cool. If you let them cool enough, then they're going to pop right out. And there they are. I actually did not have any that broke, which was pretty fabulous, and I think it's all just because I let them cool enough.
So this is my friend Lacey. Say hey, Lacey.
Hey, Lacey.
So
no,
what?
I'm Lacey. Hey, Lisa.
Yeah, no, not hey, Lisa. So Lacey has a migraine, so she's going to tell us the best oils to use for migraines.
Oh my gosh. So I don't know what the best specific one is. So Drew actually just did a protocol on me about an hour ago that involved, I'd have to pull out the list, but I know I smelled some eucalyptus. So
You smell lovely.
Eucalyptus, yeah, I smell like a walking. I don't remember what else was in there because I was out of it, but a lot. It was like 8 oils.
Okay.
On the back.
Well, maybe you can message me and I'll just put it in the notes.
Okay.
So hey, Callie. This is Lacey's beautiful kitchen.
Oh, that's good. I love it.
It's beautiful. Lacey's one of my only friends. When I'm over at her house, I get jealous of her kitchen. It's true though.
That was my goal.
I love you. You made it your goal to make everybody jealous.
you going? Are we gonna go see Daddy? Do you see the ducks? Whoa. What was that? What was that? What was that?
Jojo. Every shot you're saying is
Aren't they loud? Aren't they loud?
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you give those mini cherry pies a try. I will link the recipe down below, as well as the recipe for a really great salsa that I also ended up taking to this cookout. The mini pie process works really well with a lot of different fillings, so if you don't want to use cherry, you could use apple or blueberry, strawberry, you get the idea. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and stick around. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.